Reactor levels are stable at 200.
Acknowledged. Opening valve 3.
Monitoring pressure on the main line.
Through the batch. Did you log the temperature spike from earlier?
Yes, right here. The pressure stabilized quickly.
Generating video. The visual animation and graphic in this video are completely synthetic. They are created using advanced AI tools including VO3, Meta AI, and Grok. Their file is statistical Sony and don't depict rare light camera footage, actually location, or rare event. 100% original content. The script and idea are researched from publicly available information and completely rewritten using AI to guarantee originally. We strictly respect YouTube policies and don't copy, pirate, or reuse content from any other creator. Educational purpose. Edited professionally in CapCut, this video is produced exclusively for educational and informational purpose, aiming to provide unique and informative value to our viewers.